It's Alvin from Priceline Pharmacy, West Brunswick, and today we're going to talk about some plant-based whole food powders that you've probably seen in the pharmacies and in the health food stores. And I thought I would just go through some of the ins and outs on why these might be beneficial and how to use them, and some of the frequently asked questions that you may have. So plant-based whole food powder. So plenty of them on the market. Some of the most popular ones include the Vital Greens, Stem Guard by MedLab, and Eagle also make the Tressos Whole Life. So these kinds of formulations are really unique because they contain plant-based nutrients. So that's nutrients extracted from whole food vegetables usually. It also contains a lot of vitamins and minerals through other foods, mainly superfoods as well. And a lot of these formulations also add extra vitamins in there as well. So why would you want to take a whole food plant-based supplement like this? So this is not a replacement for a healthy diet. So as always, we always are advocating a healthy diet, and that includes a diet high in fruits and vegetables. However, it can be a little bit tricky sometimes in getting all the vegetables that we need on a daily basis. So this is where you may want to introduce a whole food plant supplement powder like this. It's really useful as a everyday kind of multivitamin, but they tend to contain a lot more ingredients and a lot more vitamins and minerals that can help with your daily needs. So it's super useful for helping you manage everyday stress, energy levels. It may help with inadequate sleep, boosting your immune system, helping your digestion, your gut health. Some of them have added ingredients that may help with your hormone and adaptogen support, which I've spoken of before. And a lot of them have antioxidants, and they also have superfoods as well. So when people start taking these, the first effects that they notice immediately is usually a change in energy levels, because you're getting high doses of vitamin D usually through the whole foods that you're getting. You immediately start to feel a whole lot better. The second immediate effect that a lot of people observe from taking these whole food plant-based powders is their gut health improves considerably. A lot of these formulations contain probiotics and prebiotics, and the ones that don't contain other ingredients that help to start heal the gut. So those are the two main effects that you will that most people usually notice from taking these whole food plant-based powders. So they're super useful for elderly people, because elderly people may have the inability to absorb nutrients and vitamins from the food that they eat, and of course their diet may be compromised. So this is suitable for elderly people, and there's a caveat which I'll go through in the frequently asked questions about who and who can't take it. So there's that for additional nutritional support. For teenagers, because quite often they're going through increased energy demands and growth spurts, so using these powders will help with that as well. Athletes, of course, due to the physical demand they're placing on their body, the extra B vitamins and the extra vegetables just helps with muscle recovery, helping you with energy levels as well. Also those who are light eaters, so many people who are light eaters aren't getting the full nutritional scope into their system, so this will definitely help with that. And also people who are unwell, who are in a state of disease and illness because their body is depleted of nutrition and nutritional value, these whole food plant-based powders will be useful for them as well. So some frequently asked questions about it. The first one is, when do I take it? So because these powders may give you a lot of energy, and some of them contain other stimulants as well. Sorry, not stimulants, but they contain other ingredients that will help your energy fire on all levels. We recommend that you take it in the morning. Pregnancy. Some of these can't be taken during pregnancy, so please check with your pharmacist, and also while you're breastfeeding, please check with your pharmacist to help you choose the right formula, because there are some that are not suitable during pregnancy. Going back to the question on the elderly, if you're taking, or anybody that's taking medication, you need to double check with your pharmacist. The main interaction with most of these is if you're taking warfarin to help thin your blood, you can't take these whole food plant-based powders. So that's when you're taking other medicines there as well. So hopefully that's given you some information on these whole food plant-based powders. As I said, they're not a replacement for a good diet or a general eating program, but they will help supplement your energy levels, and you just feel really amazing by putting yourself on a course of these. So if you have any questions, please come in and speak to us. Thank you.